Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this vertical pattern. This is really easy and only 2 row repeat. For the pattern we need to have multiple of 6. This pattern is you need to have 6 stitch, but the space between is optional. You can decide to make 2 or 3 or 4. That's why you decided how many stitches you need. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this part. In this case I'm going to take 3 for separation, so it means I just pull 3 and then knit 6, then again 3 for edge or separation. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The pattern is going to be start here by this is the separation. When it comes to the 6 stitches like knitted stitch, what we have to do for the first 3, I'm going to take the third one and like a cable I'm going to change this one with these 2 like that, then knit 1 by 1. Now for the next 3 it's time to change this stitch with these 2. The way I'll do that, I'm going to take this one in the middle with I don't need it, then knit it. These 2. Now it's time to change this one with these 2 I already made like that. Now it's time to knit this one, then knit the last 3. What we have to do for the next row, we are going to just knit whatever it is. It means the one is knit, the one is pull, just pull. And as I told you, this is the repeat of 2 rows. It means that again when you come to the pattern like this, I'm going to take the third one, change it with these 2, then knit 1, 2, 3, and now we are going to change this. If it's easier for you, you can take it these 2 at the back and then change the first one, take it back in the middle like this, like a cable, and then knit these 3. You decide the way you like this. And again for the next row, you have to just knit normal whatever it is. The knitted stitch, just knit. The purl stitch, purl. I'm going to show you one more row how to make it, because you have to repeat in each row. Take the third one, change it with these two, just knit. The way I'll do that, I'm going to just slip this the first one, I knit these two, then I change this one with these two, and I knit also that. This is the way, or like a cable, whichever is easier for you. As you can see, the pattern looks like that. If you keep continue this pattern, only 2 rows, after a few rows you are going to have the pattern like this. As I told you, it's really optional how many stitches you want to be between these two patterns. This is the front side of the work and this is the back side, and really easy to knit, which is suitable for hat or any other project you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.